I'd like to show you the custom trial version of our solution aimed at companies selling on marketplaces. The goal is to help them find new differentiators for their product category, and this specific version, as you can see, is customized for the product category of shower enclosures. Our solution builds on the methodology that we develop on how to identify weak signals of change, which you can see here as an innovation database, and how to extract insights on product differentiators and product enrichment from them. And that is done through tags, including other methods. That is highlighted important areas of development where new emerging expectations arise, where you can find those differentiators that are already relevant for the audience but not yet used by competitors in the mass market. And for each of these signals of change, that is business cases, product services, and so on, that show what can be a differentiator, you can have a deeper look, including what's changing, what's the area of change, what's proposed. For example, here you can see that some producers dealing with showering experience play with multimodal experience, relaxing, home spa, and so on and so forth. And now that's specifically manifests itself in showering systems and shower heads and so on. But using generative AI, we can also adapt this, which is already a new habit of showering, to the specific product category of shower enclosures. That is, we can add chromotherapy, aromatherapy, vertical gardening. That all is already present in customer expectations, and that can be a relevant differentiator for a company selling in this category. These ideas are generated by AI, and that builds on the signals, including cross-industrial signals and signals from connected categories. This mode is more an exploratory one to inspire you, to show you the variety. If you want a more structured view, you can use a different interface that has filters so that you can browse what's there more precisely. You can go through blocks like what's emerging in terms of adding tech to this product category, of adding experience, sustainability, like you can see here. So one of the areas of potential growth is working with recycling, reducing water waste, and so on and so forth, which is relevant to the product category we are looking at. And what's important about filters is that you might not only ask specific questions, but also look at what's developing, and perhaps you'll see that there is something there that you would not look for, you wouldn't expect to be developing, such as some of these features are more mature, some are less mature, such as energy efficiency within showering product categories like this one. And finally, the most structured view of all is a trend map, which gives you a helicopter view of what's emerging in a product category and how it can be adapted to create differentiators for a specific product. So here you see the same signals, the same opportunity areas, but shown in their connections, such as there are emerging expectations, emerging customer habits that are about tech, about sustainability, and some of them are at the intersection of tech and sustainability, as we can see here. And if we want to look at this signal more precisely, we can see that it's about saving, looking at expenses, saving energy, water, reducing humidity, making more use of limited spaces, and so on and so forth. And that all is relevant and applies to our category of shower enclosures, because that is built into the methodology of tagging and filtering and monitoring for signals of change. So to sum up, this solution helps you see what's developing, what are the potential areas of differentiating your product, as you can see here, not only in terms of producing something new or buying something new to distribute it, but also in terms of highlighting something in your description, of adding something to your product card that shows that it's different, that stands out when compared to the typical product card with a very mature proposition. So here you see what people are ready for, but they would not, well, voice it in consumer search, but that will well, catch their attention if they see it in a product card on a marketplace.